Hi, I'm Russell Conte with Sewpbox Productions. I am all about the right tool for the right job when it comes to sewing, and I've got a whole bunch of notions that I really like. One of my favorite notions I couldn't live without, Wonder Tape. It's a double-sided sticky tape that helps you align seams precisely. So let's say you're trying to line up a pocket on the front of a garment. I can place that pocket, I can tape it in place, stitch it, and voila, instant expert. Say you're sewing leather and you can't pin those seams together. I can tape them in place, sew, and then remove the tape. Instant expertise once again. And if you're installing a zipper, many times they ask us to hand base that in place by thread and needle. Wonder Tape. It's a perfect sewing hack for that. Tape it in place. Once again, you'll become an instant expert. For more tips and tricks, visit babylock.com. See you there.